YouTube, we are about to hit 1 million, and I'm sitting here looking at the screen right now. We almost at 1 million, and I'm just kind of just waiting for that countdown, because this right here is crazy to me, man. It's super crazy, like 1 million subscribers, and I'm a barber, so I'm just gonna sit here until I hit 1 million. So y'all can just wait, but we're gonna be here for a minute, but I'm definitely down for the wait. All right, so yeah. Oh snap. We close, we close. Oh, let's go, let's go. Let's go, man. 1 million? 1 million though? That's what I'm talking about. Y'all don't understand. Y'all don't even understand right now. 1 million turned up, man. I just remember when I hit this 100,000 subscriber, man. And I really just want to go back on memory lane, because this right here was definitely something special to me. And just like where I came from in general is, I was in the bathroom, y'all. I was in the bathroom teaching people how to get waves. I had low quality content. You know what I mean? I was shooting with my iPhone 4. It was bad, man. It was bad. It was bad. But I just really want to go back down memory lane and just show you guys it's hard work. It ain't been easy. This is video after video after video. I've been putting out content since 2013, man, consistently. What's up, y'all? 360 Jeezy coming at y'all one more time. What I'm gonna be giving y'all is a steam towel method. You guys, I started making wave videos in 2013. YouTube, what up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Point, click, and subscribe to my videos. I got like 6 subscribers right now. I need plenty more to go. After this one, I should have 7. After this one, I should have 7. And I started off by watching Sir Cruz. Like, he was one of the ones that inspired me to get on YouTube, to actually do it. My sister was like, man, who are you watching? I'm like, man, it's Sir Cruz. You know what I mean? Sir Cruz, his waves was popping. So she was like, man, Jerry, you could get on YouTube and basically do the same thing. So I ended up getting on YouTube and you know, listening to my sister. She was really hyping me out. Shout out to Ashley, man. Shout out to Meezy. That's my sister, man. I love my sister, man. I love my sister to death. So, you know, I really thank her for believing in me this whole time. And yeah, so I started making videos, started in the bathroom. I started off like everybody else, trying to be somebody that I'm not, you know what I mean? I didn't know how to be on camera, so I just, you know, wanted to put out content. So I kept putting it out. My sister looked at it, she was like, Jared, man, hold on, man. Be yourself, you know what I mean? So I looked at my old videos and I was like, you know what? I'm actually not being myself. Let me go ahead and just, you know, come out of my shell and just let me start being myself. YouTube, what's up? It's 360 Jeezy coming at y'all with a video. So once I did that, I started singing my intros. Once I started singing my intros and really just, you know, just being myself. It's 360 Jeezy. It's 360 Jeezy. It's 360 Jeezy. 360 Jeezy. 360 Jeezy. That's when I saw growth. After that, fast forward, I went to barber school. I know my waves are spinning right now, but I'm sitting here doing my homework for school. First of all, I want to give a shout out to all the people at Hinton Barber College. I said, you know what, the same thing I did in the wave game, I'm gonna do in the barber industry. And I ended up, you know, making a barber video.
Jeezy.
Just to help people out, because you know I've been cutting my hair since I was 14, and you know I really had a passion for that too. But you know I started taking it serious in 2000. I want to say 2016, 2015. I started taking it serious. I went to school, and from that I just, you know, kept making content, kept growing, I kept at it, man. And now I'm at pushing out a video. I went from pushing out a video every week to pushing out a video every other day. So I know it has a lot to do with consistency. Yeah, it's my personality. I know you guys, you know, love my personality, but the biggest thing for me with seeing my growth is being consistent. You know what I mean? I've been pushing out videos every other day, man. It's just been consistent with the clients that come in. I appreciate all the clients out there that let me film them. It's not easy being on YouTube, being judged, being, you know, having the trolls say something about how you look or just anything like that, man. I know it's not easy. So I appreciate everybody out there that allows me to do these films, man. The road has been tough. It ain't been easy. My testimony is really big, and I'm gonna have to share it to you guys on another video, but my testimony is powerful, man. It's so big. It can inspire so many people, and I know it because when I tell people my story, the reaction that I get, the motivation that it gives other people, man, is crazy. But I just really want to give back, and I'm gonna do a giveaway, so just stay tuned for those instructions. But I really, really, really just want to thank you guys for all the love, for all the support, for everybody that's been liking my videos, sharing it. If you learned something from any of my videos, I say thank you for watching. I know you guys are like, man, thank you, Jeezy, thank you. No, thank you, because I wouldn't be where I'm at right now without you guys watching, without you guys' support. So yeah, stay tuned for this giveaway. It's going down.
YouTube, what's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. And I finally hit my 1,000 subscribers. Like, I made it to 1,000, y'all. Y'all remember back some time ago, back a couple of videos ago, I only had 7 subscribers, man, and I was begging and pleading for y'all to subscribe to me, and y'all did, and I want to thank y'all, and I want to give back. I ain't balling, y'all, like I did in a couple of last my videos, and I told the truth, you know what I'm saying? I ain't balling, but I want to give y'all something that's coming from the heart. Stay tuned.
So in this giveaway, let's turn it all the way up, all right? I'm doing a $1,000 giveaway, man. Yes. All right, I said $1,000. I know I don't have $1 million to give y'all. So at this point, I can't really, I mean, if everybody gave me $1, you know, maybe I would, you know, give it back, but maybe then again, I would think about keeping it. Y'all know what I'm feeling. Nah, but I'm giving away $1,000, all right? And all you gotta do is I posted a picture on Instagram. It's basically a 1 million subscriber picture on my Instagram, right? All you gotta do is follow me on Instagram, go like that picture, and tag 5 other people. All right, that's all you gotta do. It's easy. Why are you making this complicated? You're sitting on the couch, you're not really doing nothing. How about you do something that's gonna elevate your life? Take you to a different place that you've never been. Pay off some bills. Give your mom a good Valentine's gift. But for real, why are you making this complicated? It's easy. But really, you guys, it really is that easy. All I did was I posted a picture of my 1 million subscriber. It's a 1 million subscriber picture on my Instagram. All you gotta do is go on my Instagram, all right, follow me there. And you know, once you clicked the follow button, say follow, and then tag 5 people. It's easy, all right? Once you follow, even the people that are followed, all right? If you're already following me, just tag 5 people, all right? Make sure you say followed and then tag 5 people, all right? It's your boy 360 Jeezy though. I wanna cry, but I'm kinda holding it in. So I appreciate you guys. I really am about to jump off this thing because I don't wanna get emotional. Peace. Oh yeah, and the winner will be announced next week. Next week, stay tuned.